Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload high quality videos on your Instagram account. So let's go ahead and open our Instagram. If you're not already on your profile, go ahead and hit the bottom right profile icon. And then from here, we want to go to the top right 3 horizontal lines. And we want to choose the first option of settings. Now what we want to do is we want to go 3 from the bottom and choose account. And then we actually want to choose data usage between sharing to other apps and original photos. So if we go ahead and choose that, you'll actually see there are 2 options here. Use less cellular data. This will basically make the app a little bit slower and videos a little less quality, so you can save some data there. But underneath that, there is high quality uploads. And if you toggle this on, it will upload higher quality videos on your cellular or Wi-Fi. And it may take a little bit longer due to larger file sizes, but that is where you can toggle on high quality uploads. So if this helped you guys out, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.